Awarded to for outstanding academic performance as with honors with a grade point average of 91% for the third quarter, school year 2024-2025, given this 20th day of February 2025 at Pananayan National High School, Panayan, Pasar Surigao del Norte, Philippines, signed Ruby B. Laga, class advisor, signed Maria Salas C. Amarilla, Senior High School Coordinator, and signed Chris Jerome C. Argelia, School Principal. As the co-advisor, it is my honor to present to you the Academic Performance Awardees for the Senior High School, specifically to Grade 11, Curie. Certificate of Recognition is awarded to Jamaica B. Adjadil with honors, with a grade point average of 91% for the third quarter, school year 2024-2025. Certificate of Recognition is also awarded to Maria Vanessa C. El Susura with honors with a grade point average of 94% for the third quarter, school year 2024-2025. May I request the parents, the mother of Certificate of Recognition is awarded to Jacqueline B. Igipila with honors with a grade point average of 93%. Certificate of Recognition is awarded to Jeline B. Macalolo with honors with a grade point average of 93%.